Hi everyone, it's Linda Beckley. I'm just creating some flashcards for plural nouns, an activity for plural nouns. I've spent a little bit of time going into Microsoft Bing and creating my own images. So I went into Bing and entered in the information for the title of the images that I wanted to create, and then I used the information in Bing to populate my database for the information I require: the image title, the author, myself, the year, the license, and the URL. Shout out to Lee Sadler. I've used her database template, and I also got the idea for using Microsoft Bing from her because I wanted to give this a whirl. I've already got a few of the flashcards done because I've already recorded it. I ran into a little problem with ScreenPal that I ran out of time. So I'm just going into the content bank, and we'll begin kind of where I left off. And I'm just going to open up the flashcard for plural noun because I've already begun them. And I'm going to edit. Okay, so I entered in the title for this H5P, flashcards for plural nouns. Write the plural noun, and I'm going to change for each sentence because I didn't use a sentence for each one. Write the plural noun for each card. Okay. And then in the first card, I have one red apple, two green apples, and the answer I put in this box here. I entered in an image. I edited the copyright. I put in the title, the author, my own name, the year, the URL, and the license and domain. I'm just going to throw on a little spreadsheet that I created earlier in Microsoft. I did the images in Microsoft Bing, and then for each image, I documented the title of the image. So as I go through creating these flashcards, I will be copying and pasting the information from this spreadsheet. I'm going to just move that over to my other screen. And let's go and add another card. Okay, the fourth card that I'm going to add is I'm going to add three thieves are stealing. Oops, spelled that wrong. Three thieves are stealing money from the bank. And I'm going to put in thieves. Okay, is the correct answer. And then I'm going to add the image. I'm going to go into my downloads. It's sitting right there. And there's a picture I generated in AI. I'm going to add that. I'm going to edit the copyright and supply the attribution. So I'm just going to copy and paste right from the spreadsheet. Author name is me, date. The source, and I'm going to put the URL right here, and the license. I'm going to make it public domain, and the license version is this, CC0. And again, require user input. I won't make it case sensitive. Randomize the cards. I'm going to save this, and it's just taking a second to save. Okay, content updated. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here. Write the plural noun for each card. 1 red apple, 2 green apples. Let's check. Great. 1 baby is crying. 2 children. 2 children are smiling. Obviously, we've talked about age groups. They know this is a baby, and these children are a little bit older, so we're going to call them children. Correct. 1 red box, 2 blue boxes. Check. And then finally the next one. 3 thieves are stealing money from the bank. Okay, now I'm just going to go back to my previous tab, and I'm going to add my file to the course shell, and it's the flashcards, and I would link the file. I'm the author. Choose the license. I'm going to say share and share alike. And I'm going to select the file. Okay, and H5P options. I am the copyright button, the grade. This is an activity, so it's going to be an activity that I'm going to allow them to do over again. So I'm not going to assign any grades or grades to pass. This is really a practice. Attempt options, enable adapting grade method. What do I have? Enabled attempt tracking. Okay, that's fine. Grading method. I'm going to say don't calculate a grade because, again, this is an activity. It's formative for the students, and they can review their attempts. And the rest of the settings I'm going to leave as is. Okay, let's take a look at it in the course shell. Let's test this out. 2 green apples. Check. 3, thieves. Check. 1 baby is crying. 2 children are smiling. 1 red box, 2 blue boxes. Check that.